Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be making camotes enmielados, or sweet yams, as most of you may know. I went ahead and peeled the ones I was going to use and cut them up into about 1-inch slice. Here is the original yam. You can keep the skin on if you prefer, but I like mine without the skin, so I want to go ahead and peel them. One thing I did forget to mention is I am using Mexican cinnamon, canela mexicana. It makes all the difference in the world when you use canela mexicana. Another thing is I'm using piloncillo. Piloncillo is Mexican cane sugar. Make sure that you incorporate the piloncillo and your Mexican canela on the surface where the water is boiling so that they can dissolve. Go ahead and give that a cover and let it sit simmering for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, our yams will become soft. Now what we want to do is wait until all that water evaporates so we can now have our miel, also known as our syrup with the piloncillo and our canela. Now we're talking. That just looks so good. Our bubbly and sweet and cinnamony yams are coming into place and will soon be ready to enjoy. So there you guys have it, camotes enmielados, or sweet yams, however you want to call them. Try them, you guys. You guys are gonna love them as much as my family does.